Help Center Tutorials. Quick Add product feature in Precision Systems. The Quick Add feature allows you to quickly create a new product in your catalog with minimal information required to get it up and running. Note that this feature is only available on the free plan, otherwise you will be able to create your products properly from your administrator interface, My Precision. This feature is designed to save you time when you need it for other tasks. However, you can come back to all your quickly added products later, to modify them and/or complete the information fields related to them for a more optimized catalog. Here's how to use this function. Simply go to your Precision Systems workspace from your iPad. Then in your sales screen, accessible from the menu by going to Orders, press on the plus product box located in the upper left part of your sales screen. A discussion box will then be displayed, where you can fill in a minimum of information about your product, such as the product label corresponding to its name, its price, the VAT rate applied to it, its barcode, and press Next. Note that the VAT rate that will be applied by default to the product will be the rate you entered when you configured Precision Systems. You can, however, modify it from the VAT field. The next step is to assign your product to the corresponding category. To do this, you have two options. 1. Choose to assign to one of the categories that exist in your catalog. To do this, simply click on the category of your choice from the list displayed and validate. 2. Create a new category and assign it to it. To do this, press plus Add. Then choose an image, a title, and a color code for your category and validate. Note that choosing a different color for each of the categories you have created will allow you to recognize, when flying over your catalog, the products that are assigned to it. After validating the creation of a new category, you will be sent back to the list of categories. Simply click on the category that corresponds to the product in question to assign it to that category, and that's it. Your product will then appear in your catalog next to the rest of your products, bordered by the color of the category to which it belongs.